note that sometimes you're going to see logarithms without a base, and even on your calculator, if I pull that up real quick, you're going to find that the log button is just log. Um, this is because when you don't have a base, the most common logarithm base used is 10 in different applications. So we're just going to imply that 10 is the base whenever you don't see one. So for this one, essentially we're saying what is log base 10 of 10,000? So you have to think what power would I have to take 10 to get 10,000? And a trick you can use with that is how many zeros are there? And we know that 10,000 is 10 to the fourth power. So that means that the log of 10,000 is going to be 4. So looking at this next example, um, remember our properties of logarithms. If you're taking 10 to a power that involves a log with the same base, because remember this is essentially log base 10 of 12. Remember this base and the log will cancel out, and that's going to just simply give me an answer of 12. Now, sometimes we're going to have logarithms that aren't as easy to figure out. For instance, this one, we know that log uh, of 10 is going to be 1 because 10 to the first power is 1. And we know that log of 100 is going to be 2 because 10 squared is 100. So 14 is going to be somewhere in between 1 and 2. So let's take a look at how to do this on the calculator. You're simply just going to go to log and type in your 14, and your log turns out to be about 1.15 for the answer. Finally, let's just look at this last example where we have log of negative 11. And if I put that in my calculator, I get log of negative 11. Hit enter. Notice I get an error because this is an unreal answer. There is no power that I can take 10 to get a negative 11 value. So keep in mind that in order for this logarithm to work, this number here has to be greater than 0. So go ahead and try this one. I would recommend trying it without a calculator to see if you can get an estimate of what it would be, and then try to use your calculator to verify it. But other than that, that concludes this lesson.